Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for coming back. In today's video guys, I will be sharing with you 3-in-1 flaxseed gel. You just have to add water and nothing else and boil it until the desired you want it. As the more you boil, the more it becomes thicker. In this case, I'm going to boil just until I get the desired I want, which is I'm not going to make very fat. As I said, I'm going to be applying all over my hair, and this is the desired I want for myself. It's going to be thick anyway when it get cool, so I'm going just to leave it a bit to be cooled down, and I'm going to start applying from the middle of my hair. That way my hair going to be laying properly, and then it get very smooth, and that way I can style as I like and please. As you can see guys, I still have my relaxed hair because I relaxed my hair soon I had my twins. I panicked. I said I'm not going to have time to look after my hair and my twins, but that was actually the wrong idea of me because my hair started to break off, and then on the top of that, it's not like enough. I colored my hair with the mesh, and it was really bad. So my next video coming up is going to be my big chop, and so please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You will never going to miss any video coming from me. So I'm going to just wrap it my wig that way and then cover it up with the scarf guys, so it will get smooth and then nice, and open it when I'm ready for the party. Voila, this is how it looks guys. It's really nice, and yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to thumb up and subscribe to my channel.